See this? This is what happens when you're on spring break and you have to work at 5:45 in the morning. And I hate it. So I thought I would do a video upside down. I thought that would be fun. And all the blood is rushing to my head, so we'll see how far I get. Yeah. Getting kind of dizzy. So I'm alone. My roommate, as you can see, gone for the week. Boston or some such. And Heather's gone. We had so much fun. The rest of you guys don't know what you were missing. Lisa, I'm waiting for a video. I'm waiting for a video. What's Europe like? I haven't been in so long. Tell me all about it. You went to Austria and Hungary, right? I want to go so bad. Do you speak any German? Ich spreche Sie Deutsch, aber nicht so gut. Ich habe eine Geschirrspülmaschine. That means I have a dishwasher, which is actually not true. But I don't know how to say that I don't have a dishwasher. So, anyway, Katie, how was your spring break? And when are you going to make a video? Because I miss it. And? Video. Jessie wants to see you guys. I don't know. So tonight I have to work probably the worst shift in the entire history of desk work. I'm working 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. No break. Yeah. I'll let you know how that one goes. Supposedly it's going to be super easy, but it's over at Butler. I've worked Butler once. I don't like it there. It's very industrial, lots of stuff. I don't know anybody except for one boy because my two friends that live in Butler are gone apparently. Well, I know one of them is gone and I haven't seen the other one in a while, so I assume she's gone. But, yeah, makes it kind of awkward. But I need to be sleeping because I am going to be up from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. It's 12:30. And if I don't get some shut-eye, I'm not going to be a very pretty camper. Love you guys.